on the Cartesian plane, because you are in grade 12 now. Okay, so let's do this question. The good thing is that this is a very common question. It was there in the math test, and some of you were not drawing the diagram, but here it says if sine theta is minus 5 over 13 and theta lies between 90 and 270, calculate without the use of a calculator and with the aid of a diagram. Okay? So the first part of the question is going to be grade 10. Okay? Then the use of double angles, that's grade 12. So if I have sine theta is equal to minus 5 over 13, remember sine theta is equal to y over r, cosine of theta is equal to x over r, and tan theta is equal to y over x, r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Remember that, right? So here, remember that r cannot be negative. So this is the same as y over what? Over x. Okay, so over r, so y over r. Right, so what that means is that my y is negative 5, my r is 13. I need to find x. Okay? I need to find x. So let me find my x. So my x, if I say r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, then my r squared, that's 13 squared, is equal to x squared minus y squared, that's minus 5 all squared. So this gives me 169 plus x squared minus 25. Now if you simplify, you find that x squared is going to be equal to 144, and then your x is going to be plus or minus 12. Okay? Then I now need to determine which quadrant are we dealing with here. Okay? I think that's where some of you have got issues. How many quadrants are between 90 degrees and 270? 2 quadrants. Quadrant 2 and quadrant what? 3. In which of those 2 quadrants is sine negative? The third quadrant. So if I draw my sketch, it's going to look like this. I'm going to be in the third quadrant. So I draw my theta, it's going to be like that. Right? Then I can label it right here. Okay. The terminal rate, the length is 13. My y, here it's negative what? 5. My x, I found it. Now, there are 2 values. Positive and negative. Which one do you think here? Negative 1. So this will be minus 12. So that's my diagram. And then I'm done. So you get 1 mark for that diagram. For identifying the correct quadrant. When you are in metric, it should not be a problem to identify the correct quadrant. You are in grade 12, you're done to grade 10, grade 11, now you're in grade 12. You can't spend 3 years of your lifetime struggling with the concept. Okay? Especially after I've taught you as well. Alright, so now let me answer those questions. I now have all the information. So here I can say, therefore, x is equal to negative 12. So let me find what sine 2 theta is. Okay? Now, because this is a double angle, okay, I cannot use my previous knowledge from grade 10 and 11. I have to use the double angle that I've done now. So let's find what sine 2 theta is equal to. Can I carry on? Yes. Huh? Yes. Okay, so 1a, I will say sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine of theta. The good thing is I know that sine theta is equal to y over r, and my cos theta is x over r. So this becomes 2 times, my y is negative 5, and my r is 13, my x is negative 12, and my r is 13. So this is so simple, so it will be 2 times, that's 60 over 169, and that will give me 120 over 169. So that's my answer for what? Sine what? 2 theta. Let's calculate cos 2 theta quickly before we go. So cos 2 theta cos 2 theta is the same as, now you can decide any one of the three double angles for cos, but I'll choose the first one. It's equal to cos squared theta is cos minus sine squared theta, so that will be equal to x over r squared minus y over r squared. My x is minus 12 over 13 squared minus my y is minus 5 over 13 all squared. So I'll get 144 over 169 minus 25 over 169. So my final answer, if I do a subtraction there, I think I'll get 119 over 169. So I'm done. Okay, I've used double angles, and the rest is grade 10. Okay.